Today we're going to make some steakhouse browned buttered mashed potatoes. So what we've done here in this pan here, we've got about a tablespoon of salt. We have got our potatoes peeled and cubed. We've got 2 pounds in here. We've got enough water to cover it. And here I've got 1 stick or 1/2 cup of butter that's beginning to melt. All right, now that our butter has begun to melt but then foam a little bit, we're going to turn that down. We don't want it really high. We're going to put it simmer. We're going to put 3 teaspoons of minced garlic in there. And then we're going to stir this on a pretty consistent basis, but because we want to brown this until it's a nice golden brown color. Once it starts to brown, it's going to brown really fast. We got it brown now. We're now just going to set this off the heat and let it chill. Once your potatoes are done, and you know they're done whenever you take the biggest piece of potato, and this will just, see how easy that goes in? We're now going to drain these potatoes. Once we get them drained, we're going to place half of our garlic butter back into that pan. We're going to add 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/3 cup of sour cream, we'll just start off, get that little mix there, and once I get that mixed up just a tad bit, I'm going to use the old-fashioned potato smasher, and we're just going to make this into a nice smooth consistency. Alright, that's nice and smooth. Once you're done, you're going to take a big scoop of mashed potatoes. In my case, why not? Let's just do a little bit more. And then, your remaining brown butter, just twirl that around the top. You have those little nice pieces of garlic, and there we have it, a brown butter garlic mashed potato.